What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Today I'm going to be going over this 2018 F550. As you can see, it is a very large truck. It is a utility truck, so these things are made for doing work. It is very large. Let me jump up here. All I'm going to be showing off today is the Stinger Heigh10 radio that I installed in the dash here. Alright, this Stinger radio is going to have a lot of features that are going to be really beneficial for a truck like this. First of all, it is a 10-inch screen, which is really nice. It is adjustable as far as installation location, vertical, horizontal, and stuff like that or whatever. And so that is going to make it easy to be installed in any sort of situation. This one, all I did, I just wanted to make sure that I cleared the climate controls at the bottom. It has an actual physical volume knob, which is really popular. On this truck, the installation was very simple. This had the very basic Ford radio, did not even have that 4.3-inch screen. So integration modules were nice and affordable. We still have steering wheel controls retained. Those are fully functional. We have dim as well, so when I turn on the headlights, everything dims down, which is also to be expected. One of the really ideal things about this particular radio is that it has, I believe, 4 camera inputs. A lot of camera inputs, I know. But that allows you to have, on a vehicle as large as this one, a backup camera, side view camera, the other side mirror camera, and then a front camera. So you can end up with not exactly that 360 vision stuff, but very similar to it. It does also, of course, have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and USB functionality, which on this particular vehicle I retained that plug right there, so no additional USB mounting necessary. Of course, has Bluetooth, so all of your phone functions can go through it. The microphone is mic'd up there. And since I don't have any cameras hooked up to this, I don't have my phone plugged in, I don't even have my phone connected via Bluetooth, this is pretty much the end of this video, other than the fact that it's a beautiful radio, and it's great for this truck, and it's something that I got done. I'm going to have another video for the headlights of this truck that I did. This was a nice little package deal. Thanks so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I shall talk to you later. See ya.